Why are you biting your bed? Why are you biting your bed? Are you being naughty? Why are you biting your bed? Who are you looking at? He's angry because he wants to sleep on my bed.
No, like he's fighting with his bed.
Ozzy, what are you doing? That's crazy. Are you going off your head? Gone off your head, Ozzy. Make sure you don't lick my camera, okay? Why are you so tired? We went out for cappuccino. Where else did we go, Ivanka?
To the park.
To the park. Ivanka, you had your dinner? Okay, good. You enjoying it, Ozzy?
Yeah.
How many days is he with us? How many days is Ozzy with us? 6 days, Ozzy? Are you paying rent? Oh God, he's really biting it. Why are you biting your bed?
Let it be, let it be, let it be. It's boring.
Why are you biting your bed?
Go get the ball. Good boy.
So I'm just following Mr. Ozzy to show you guys. What do you want to have? Where's that bone? Get him the bone. Where's the bone?
It's here you're playing with it.
Ah, here's the bone. This is Ozzy's bone, the stick. Yeah. So please. Funny boy, funny boy. Okay, let me show you guys the bench. Let me show you guys the bench which Karishma had stained yesterday. By the way, we had a nice barbecue. If you follow me on Instagram, we had a nice barbecue. If you follow me on Instagram, please go check out Ryan Vlogs Live. You'll see some of the barbecue pictures and everything. So yeah, Karishma has stained the bench, and yeah, looking nice and natural. And you must be wondering why the neighbor's dog is with us. Basically, our next door neighbors have gone to a small 1-week vacation, and they requested us that if you want to keep the dog, or we'll get a kennel, no issues. So we jumped at it and we were like, of course we'll keep your dog, we love Ozzy. And you guys have seen Ozzy in all my videos, so you know how great he is. So this is their pool. Since they are not here, I can show you. And yeah, the neighbors actually have the same house as we do. It's just half. So Ozzy kind of just moves from left to right. Yeah, so moving back in, because as always my AC unit will only start running when I start vlogging, right? That's the circle of life. And here's Mr. Ozzy again. Hi Ozzy. Hi Ozzy. You want to come out? He loves the backyard, but because we are watching him, we don't want him alone without the leash in the backyard, because if he runs to the neighbor's house or down the road, we'll be responsible. So we don't want to let him out without the leash. But this afternoon we took him for a few walks and a drive, and he peed and did his potty outside. That's good. So he doesn't pee or poop in the house, which is a great thing. Anyways, let's go see what he's doing. Ozzy, go in. Go in, no running out. No running out. He just wants to play. Now, you want to play with the ball? Come on, let's take the ball. Ozzy? Oh, he's drinking water.
Yeah.
Get the ball. So this is what Ozzy eats. Health extension, grain free. And what else does he eat, Ivanka? These canned foods. So all the dog lovers will like it, and he already wants some more, I think. But he had in the morning, right? What else has Ozzy got? Some treats? Have we got some treats for Ozzy? Yeah, give him one. Jerky strips. Let's try jerky strips. Open this, Ivanka. Give him one, since he's been a good boy. Ozzy waiting for jerky strips. Want me to open it?
Yeah.
Strips.
They're big.
Give it. Give him one. Ooh, there's he gone. I hope the lighting is good, guys. Mr. Ozzy is chewing. Yeah. You like the jerky strips? He likes the jerky strips. Nice. Anka, close it and put it in the bag. We don't need more. Tasty, Ozzy. So I decided to do some cooking and give Karishma a break, since she's the one who usually cooks. Made some pasta and chicken. Nothing fancy, just basic stuff. Yeah, Ozzy, you ate your thing so fast. Hey, it looks like the whole video is going to be about Ozzy, so let me go up to my bathroom and tell you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, why am I filming at my jacuzzi? We are going through jacuzzi blues, okay? Now what are jacuzzi blues? We have a lovely bathroom with a double sink and all the fancy stuff, and I mean fancy is a relative term, but we have a separate shower. We have a jacuzzi here, and jacuzzi blues basically means is we are so useless we haven't even used the jacuzzi yet. And it's a nice jacuzzi. It's a Jaguar or whatever brand. It's sorry, it's not Jaguar, it's Kohler is even better, I think. And it's a nice big jacuzzi. There's only one person who's used it, and that is Ivanka. Darren, Karishma and I have not used it, which is so sad. We got the fancy Kohler taps and hot and cold water and all that stuff, and then the jacuzzi button is here. So as you put that on, the jacuzzi starts blasting with all these faucets over here. There are 6 or 8 faucets. It's pretty noisy actually. I just like a bathtub, just soak in, especially in winter. Summer I prefer to be in a pool or outdoor on the beach, but in winter I will soak into the jacuzzi with some hot water. I'm not sure about these jets, okay, because these jets are nice, but they're so damn noisy. I just hate that noise. Even if you play music or have some other distraction, the bathroom has a point there for the TV also. You can have a TV in the bathroom while you're sitting on the throne or in the jacuzzi. But there's a limit, right? How much you have in your bathroom. Sorry, this is becoming like a bathroom log, but the jacuzzi issue, it's become a jacuzzi blues because none of us have used the damn jacuzzi. And look at the space it takes up, okay? I could have had like a nice sofa set or some cupboards or some storage here. We have a lot of storage behind also, no complaints. But a jacuzzi, I always say, is like a white elephant. You use it once, twice a year and then it's done. So the taps and everything, wash my clothes here like the Dobbies do. But here we have a washer dryer, so we wash there. We don't have to dry the clothes outside also, because the dryer washes and dries it. A separate dryer dries it 100% dry. You don't need to, you can just wear the clothes after that. It's fully dry. So yeah, jacuzzi blues, guys. Let me know whether you think Ryan Woodman should go into the jacuzzi or just let it sit here like a white elephant, not used. Yeah, Sunday, this is the vlog, this is the dress code, can't help it. Yeah, jacuzzi blues, guys. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, gonna sign out. Ryan Vlogs Live. Please hit like, please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram also, Ryan Vlogs Live on Instagram. I've taken out my personal name and details from all my social media, so yeah, please follow Ryan Vlogs Live, YouTube and Instagram. And some videos are just chilled videos like this with the dog and the jacuzzi. Some videos are hard talk, some videos are bike, some videos are car, some videos are corporate. It depends on my mood. I keep shooting videos very often, 5 to 6 times a week, so please support if you like. Hit like, please comment, and take care guys. Have a wonderful week. Bye.
You just come running by.